now we're going to take care of that beautiful spring mix, mixed green, whichever lettuce you're receiving, and you want to make a nice, healthy, nutritious salad. So what I have here is the spring mix on one side, and then I have these beautiful baby spinach. They're getting a little big, so you might cook these. What you can do is just wilt them with a little bit of walnut oil and then add a little sea salt and pepper to it. But they're right borderline. We can definitely put them in our salad. It adds a nice little crunch to it. And then I also have meat tuna right here. The meat tuna got a little unhappy because the sun came out. We weren't counting on the sun today, but it's really tasty. It comes in the green bag or the mixed greens bag, and it has a beautiful flavor. It really will take your salad to another level. It's a little reminiscent of arugula, but not quite as spicy or bitter. It's really, really tasty. So first I'm going to make the dressing. So the dressing is made with, again, olive oil, extra virgin, a good quality. We're going to use the freshly squeezed again. Then we use an aceto balsamico or balsamic vinegar. We're going to use some shallots. We're going to use garlic, a mixture of herbs. These are Provençal herbs, so it's thyme, rosemary, oregano, and this particular one also has some lavender in it, but makes it really tasty. Of course, some salt, pepper, and a little bit of sugar. So I'm going to do the little prep, and I'll be right back, show you how to put it all together. Alright, so what we're going to do now is take care of the garlic. I had everything already chopped, but I'd like to show you how you can get the most flavor out of your garlic clove. And that is by completely grinding it up. So first you mince it, then you take the salt that you would use in your dressing anyway, and you put the salt on the garlic. Then you lay your knife on top, flat on the cutting board. You pick up the blade, push down and pull back. And so it works like a grinding stone. Together with that salt, it grinds everything up for you. This way you create a garlic paste, and that garlic paste gives you the most amount of flavor for your garlic. See, it's completely soft. Okay, so that goes in here. Then we add our shallots. We add our olive oil. Hello girls, take it easy, everything is okay. We're just making a dressing over here. Pepper. And our Provençal herbs, they go in as well. I would say about a teaspoon. It's also a personal preference, of course. If you want more, you put more. And then we take a whisk and we whisk it up. Now normally I would taste this with a spoon, but we're on the farm, so excellent. I got a sanitizing towel here, don't worry about it, it's all good. And then we take our salad. Now, if you think that this is too big, what you never want to do is cut your lettuce. You always tear it, so you can make it smaller this way. I like it big, and I'll figure it out on my plate. The girls are getting really aggressive over here. They love greens, and they found the lettuce, yeah. But not your lettuce, not this one. We're good. Take the stems off of the meat tuna, and then we toss it all together. Make sure that everything gets coated in that oil, in that delicious flavor. Everything is nice and shiny. There we go. We have our plate. We have Sylvia, the chicken herder. And there we have a beautiful salad. This is a salad for one. I know it looks like a lot, but of course it's very airy, very light. That's one of the reasons that I don't cut it, because then it collapses everything and makes your salad less attractive. So like this is the way to do it. So take a little leaf, taste it, enjoy it. Sign up for Nature's Heartland. Beautiful program, beautiful veggies, all grown locally here, just outside of Edinburgh. I think we're north of Donna, is that right? We're north of Donna. Oh, can't get any more local than that. Enjoy it.